Good morning, beautiful people. Today, guys, I'm gonna show you how to identify the suckers of your tomatoes. So now, here we go. As you can see here, yes, that is it. So inside the elbow, that's a sucker. So the sucker grows in between of the elbow of the tomatoes. So guys, yun, that's very big sucker. So once there are flowers in your tomatoes, there are also coming suckers. Kung hindi nyo siya mababantayan, guys, ang growth ng yung tomato mapupunta lang sa suckers. So kailangan siyang kunin. So you can have a healthy tomatoes. Okay? Now pinuto na natin siya, guys. Yes, that's the sucker. The sucker who grows on the elbow of the tomatoes. Okay, so as you can see there are flowers. Here we go, guys. Now we are going to look at our tomato in the pot. So ito yung ating mga nahuling na itanim sa pots, guys, at namumulaklak na siya. Once there are flowers, may suckers din, guys, na tumutubo, kaya it's better to check it every day para magkaroon tayo ng healthy and good abundance, okay, of our plants. So look at in the middle of the elbows or tomato plants, merong sucker. Either way, the suckers come first before the flowers, and then yeah, that's it. That's the sucker before the flowers. Okay, so you need to take that out so the growth, so the nutrients of our tomatoes will comes to the will go to the flowers and the fruits. Okay, so yes, that's it. That is why every time it's very essential to take out the suckers in our tomatoes. Okay, so putulin siya, putulin, hindi ang bulak, guys, ang suckers. So I hope na may natutunan na naman kayo sa videong ito. And ipapakita ko sa inyo yung aking mga tomatoes na nauna kong natanim na nandyan sa kabila kong garden. Okay? So I hope you learned something out of these videos, guys. Thank you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet to Taste Home, please do subscribe.